Video, we are going to talk about idle connection warning duration and idle connection timeout duration in chat deployment. Whenever a chat is disconnected or become idle due to session timeout or due to some network bandwidth issue, Salesforce will wait for 40 seconds for the client, that is nothing but the browser, to get the network back or from disconnected to connected state, so that it can continue the chat conversation. In order to have additional value, that is 40 plus whatever seconds we want, we can make use of this idle connection warning duration and timeout duration. So I have set the timeout duration to 10. So 40 plus 10, 50 seconds. Salesforce will wait for the connection to get back so that the chat conversation can continue. And for the warning duration, I have set for 5. So at 45th second, a warning will be sent to an agent saying that the visitor lost the connection. So the chat will be ending soon, and within 5 seconds, so when it reaches the 50th second, it will end the chat conversation. So 40 is the base value, and plus whatever value we add here is the idle connection duration. So if I put, since I have put 10 here, so 40 plus 50 is, 40 plus 10 is 50, and here I have put the warning duration as 5, so 40 plus 5 is 45 seconds. So this is my embedded service deployment. Here I have used the button called embedded service. So this is my embedded service deployment. Here I'm using the deployment also embedded service. So this is my embedded service chat deployment. So here I have set the connection warning duration as 5 seconds and idle connection timeout to 10. So at 45th second, it will send a warning to the agent, and at the 50th second, it will end the chat. So let's see how to test it. So this is my community. I have added embedded service deployment in contact support page. Okay, yeah, I have refreshed the page so that it will get a new session. So I'm going to start chat. So as a visitor, I have initiated a chat. Now as an agent, I'm going to accept the chat. So as an agent, I have accepted the chat, and I'm going to, I have sent a test as an agent, and as a visitor, I'm going to send OK. So the message is received here. So now I am navigating to cases. Now the chat is lost. So the connection is lost. Since the embedded chat is added only to the contact support page and not to the cases page. So I have added only on the contact support page. So now I have navigated to cases. Now the connection is gone. I have to wait for 45th second. At 45th second, it will show a warning here, and see, at 45th second, customer lost connection. If they don't recommend, the chat will end. So within 5 seconds, the chat was ended. Okay, so let me copy the chat transcript ID. The name number is 0 to 8. So there are two ways to check it. Go to details tab, scroll down, you will see chat transcript events related list. So here a warning was sent, and after 5 seconds the timeout was happening, so the chat was ended. So since the visitor lost the connection, the type is set as visitor left and the detail is set as visitor left chat. So here we can see only minutes. So in order to check it in seconds, we can run this query. See, 53rd second a warning was sent. Within 5 seconds, at 58th second the chat was ended. It's because of this deployment. So 45th second it will send a warning, 50th second it will trigger the timeout, and then it will end the chat. So this is the main purpose of idle connection warning duration and timeout duration. So it is applicable when the chat is getting idle or disconnected from the session. Thank you for watching.